Hey guys, hello people. What happened? For your love, I go naughty. Maybe it's because of the low battery. I don't know. I don't know. Hello guys, it's your lady Shine Francis Odige, aka Yellow Nomose Worldwide, aka the Von Lioness. Yes. I'd wanted to play my song for you, Vibes, by Shine Osemige featuring JD Nero. Yeah, JD Nero na old tele for musical. As in, he started music at his very early stage in life. So, oh no, it is that one. What is wrong with this? I don't know. Go. Ogbanje, they worry this phone, no.
Start your
Please, Joshi, don't worry, Jerry. I beg, let them go and listen to it. I'd wanted to play my song Vibes by Shine Osemige featuring JD Nero for you guys, but the tab I want to play Amide Mezebu because I have to play it online. So the thing they Mezebu, they fumble, they stop and play. Have you listened? Have you listened? Have you listened to my song? If you are a fan and you have not listened to this song, you are not a true fan. You are not a true fan. You have to represent. You have to follow up, as in follow up back to back. That's how to be a true fan. Yeah. Special man, oh. For your love, I dey go naughty. For your love, I dey go naughty. I dey go naughty for your love now. I dey go naughty for una love, my fans. So I dey go naughty. I dey go naughty for your love. So have you listened to this song Vibes on Shine Francis TV? If you have not listened, bad. You are not a fan. You are not a true fan. You are not a true fan. You are not a true friend. If you are a true friend, you must have listened. You will just tell me, Shine, I've listened. I even shared to my friends. That's how to know a true fan. That's how to know a true fan. So if you have not listened on Shine Francis TV, if you have not shared, you are not a true fan. You are not a true fan. Do you want to be a fake fan? Do you want to be a fake friend? Do you want to be a Sebununeo or Sehoy? No, now you don't want to be that. So represent well, please. Represent well, I beg. Me, they beg you. Yes, happy weekend to you guys. Happy weekend, everyone. I want to remind you to enjoy your weekend. Josie, I'm okay. Don't worry, darling. Thank you, dear. I want to remind you guys to enjoy your weekend with the song Vibes. Vibes, yes, we're feeling the vibes right here from our very own Naija, Edo State, Benin City. Yes, we're feeling the vibes and we're representing with our vibes. Yes. I want to also use this medium to say congratulations to social media president Eddie Idaosa, aka social media president, for the third year and still living and surviving by the grace of God. Yes, I want to join him to thank God for sparing his life, for keeping him alive, for disappointing his haters, his enemies. Yes, because oh, iwe no togbo you. So, otono saji, omagbo yede, and egbo you de they wait to sa ulobo akpaseyo, omana akpaseyo, egbo you. So, I celebrate with you, Mr. Eddie Idaosa, aka Social Media President, for God sparing your life and vindicating you. Yes, God has vindicated you, and I know by His grace, He will continue to spare your life. He will continue to protect and guide you and your family in Jesus' name. Congratulations to you, sir. Congrats. Yes. Have you contacted Cheska Organic Skincare? Oh no, Cheska, no organic cream. If you be babe, if you be lady wey sabi, if you be baby wey sabi, and you no know Cheska organic cream, hey, you no know organic cream. Na me shine tell you. If you be baby wey sabi, if you be lady wey sabi, and you no know Cheska, you will never know organic cream. You need to know Cheska to feed the talk. Say, organic cream good oh, organic cream not good oh. So if you never try Cheska Organic Skincare, now you say you no know organic cream. You never know am, you never sabi am. You see am, most times I dey use my face, I know they do makeup. Why I know they do am? Na because of Cheska. I get the boldness. The thing may more like 16 years baby. Come on now, where check it now. Check how you balance am. You understand? So na so it dey be. Why? Na Cheska na him make am. So I know they bother they do my makeup 247. Hey, ni ya kufi ni ya cover ni ya sandpaper No, why? Because the confidence they there, the self-esteem they there, very high one. Get it back. You know why? Because I they represent, and I know say with Cheska Organic Skincare, they can get it back. No shaking. You understand? So if you be baby wey sabi, if you be lady wey sabi, and you don't know Cheska, you never know organic skincare. If you know Cheska, you sabi am, you don't use am. Now you be say you soji. Now you be say you don't use organic skincare. So say you can't discover am. You know, so when person new reach town, now the bad people wait there, now they fed the jam. You can't say, now so people wicked. Now so people hate me. Now so people not good. But when you can't solid inside, you can't know the correct people. You can't say, where on these things? How come me no jamuna? I just say so everybody just bad though, but come on. Now because you never waka reach where the cocoa day. Where the thing for the happen? Hey! Now where they tell you now where the thing for the happen? Yes now. Now when they tell you now where the thing for the happen. I not bath I fine. I not rub makeup I fine. You don't see her. Hey, I don't need to the coffee, to the tea, to the filter, to come they impress, they shine. No, I they give una raw as a day. You understand? With all the conji with my blood. You don't understand? Conji with my blood. Since I supposed to be old woman. But my face see the soft. You see the soft. Like baby, like under 16. Why? You know why? And because of say this Cheska, they too correct. They give you the cream where they protect your skin. See ya. Now so their cream they come. Now so their products they come. They package them well. You understand? So if you be first timer, you will need a scrub. They get their body scrub because my skin is soft. I know they use that their scrub. As I just use them the first time, I don't use them again because my skin they very soft. So if you be first timer for Cheska, you go need their scrub. If you no fit buy, you don't want buy their full package. You don't want buy their full package. You fit buy the one. If you just say, madam, I need una cream. I need una soap. If na only soap you fit buy for Cheska, you no get problem. You no get wahala. If na only soap, now if you just buy for Cheska and their scrub, you are good to go. People go begin they ask you which they use, which one they use. You no go bath oh, you go fine. You no go makeup oh, you go fine. You no need to quit rush come up for bed, go do makeup. Make your boyfriend for not say you ugly. You understand? You don't need to go run because they carry makeup, they want sleep. Why? Because you don't want me your guy no say somebody don't give you just not to just get order for Cheska scrub your skin, wash by their soap with their mulatto soap. Very see their mulatto soap, make I show you. This one so na be their mulatto soap, you see am. This one so na him give me. Yeah? Another color still dey orange. So this one so na be their mulatto soap. E work die for face. Just use am wash your face. I know they use cleanser sef. I know they use their cleanser. Cause my skin soft, I tell you now. So this one na their mulatto, their facial soap wey for face. This one na be the mulatto soap wey I dey tell you. You see this one? Na this one e dey based on say maybe na me dey na my product na make am so all the label no dey, but na Cheska na e dey. You understand? This one na be the mulatto soap. Only this one sef, you no need cream. If na only this one if you just buy for Cheska, you are good to go. E go wash your face like no man business. E go wash am for you. You go dey wonder say wetin happen? People go dey ask you say which river you for bath come out? You don't understand. You know when some people newly bath come out for river, the kind way they say they fine, not be smart you. They go begin they ask you, they'll say which river you for bath? Tell us the river may go bath. Why? Now mulatto soap from Cheska. Now they do the secrets. Mulatto soap. Nyama dey your skin, body they scratch you, sweetie. You use this mulatto soap, take bath, you are good to go. Scratchy don't vanish, you don't disappear. Sweetie don't disappear. You understand? So when you use this one na their oil. You see, this one na the oil where I dey use. In the morning, rub am for your face. You are good to go. Not be every time they rub cream. When you just rub this their oil, you are good to go for the day. You go protect your face from sun and everything. So this one so na their face cream. Just rub this one for your face. For night, not be daytime. For night, before you sleep, you are good to go. So, like I talked before, who no Cheska? Who no Cheska organic cream? About organic skincare, you no organic cream. If you never use Cheska about organic skincare, now be say you no organic cream. Now if you don't use Cheska, now be say yes, you don't try. You sabi organic cream well. So if you never know am, run go, may you contact Cheska organic skincare, make them give you your own. If you get the money, buy the full package. It's very affordable. Sometimes when you tell her say you come from Shine, they give you discounts. If you contact her, just tell her say na from Shine, na Shine recommend me to you. He go give you discount. You understand? He go give you discount. You go get your discount. So make you quick rush. Christmas they come. You need to shine for your husband. You need to shine for your guy. You need to shine so that your money go increase. All the gifts go surplus. Yakpa. Why? Because you fine. Because soup way sweet. Na money kill am. Your baba go no say soup way sweet. Na money kill am. So no use on we feel or maybe no go along. So he go know what you want and he go they do one for you. Because of say you don't shine your body because he know say you sweet. And that soup way sweet so now money kill am. So you go need to represent. Christmas they come, December they come, shine your skin, shine your body. Contact Cheska Herbal Organic Skincare. Me, I go put the number for you just now. So as I was saying before, if you never watched that my song Vibes by Shine or Osenige, run down to Shine Francis TV YouTube channel. SHINEFRANCIS TV. Go and watch it. Go and listen. And God will bless you as you do so. That my baby, she's sleeping. Oh, she's sleeping. All right, guys. Yes, I would like to call it a day here. I thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you. And let me know, please, if you contact Cheska, if you contact Cheska, if you buy a product from Cheska, let me know. I go do free happy birthday wish for you. I go do free happy birthday shout out for you, as in free. I go just do one for you on your birthday. Contact me. I go just do one for you based on say you contact Cheska, you patronize Cheska. Just tell me, inbox me, say I don't patronize Cheska, I don't buy product from Cheska. I go do free shout out for you. So Guys, enjoy your weekend. Have a pleasant weekend. Love you guys. Bye, guys.